You've got a product to launch. You need a copacker. And the fastest seeming move is simple. Email a ton of them. 50 emails later, it feels like progress. But it's not a strategy. It's hope. And hope is expensive. Most copackers won't respond to cold outreach. Many are at capacity. And plenty are the wrong fit, because copackers are specialized by process, format, certifications, and volume. Here's what your email blast can't solve: the constraints, minimum runs, packaging equipment, allergen rules, shelf-stable versus refrigerated, certifications, even regional freight economics. One mismatch kills the project. So you get stuck in endless back and forth, only to learn on week 2 that your volume is too small, your ingredients are a problem, or they don't run your package. The real cost isn't the rejection. It's the time. Momentum dies, timelines slip, and every week you wait, your launch window gets narrower. CoPack Connect flips it. Start with your requirements: product type, process, packaging, certifications, volume, location, and filter to manufacturers that actually fit. Then you reach out with clarity, not guesses. Stop emailing 50 copackers. Start with the right 5 on CoPack Connect.